These are the active Swedish dishcloths, 12-pack of them. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. Normally I don't do a lot of cleaning videos, but these things are actually awesome, and I was kind of excited to get them. Matter of fact, the last time I got this excited over a cleaning supply was probably the magic eraser, but here we are. So first things first, nice packaging. You get 12 of them in various colors. I've already used a few of them. These things are super absorbent. They can absorb up to 20 times their weight. Look at that. Not bad, huh? My normal routine is to use a dishcloth to wipe down my kitchenette area, microwave, all that stuff. Great for that. When you're done using it, you just rinse it out in the sink, squeeze the water out, and let it dry or hang it up. If you hang it up or lay it flat, it'll dry back into the shape that it came in. I've been using this one for 5 or 6 days now in my kitchen area. I let it hang over top of my faucet, and it dried just like that. But look at it. No noticeable smells or anything like that. It's kind of wild. They say that these are made from European this or natural that. I don't really care. I just want something that works over and over again and isn't hard on my wallet, and this does all of that. Another cool thing besides just washing them out in the sink, you can throw them in the dishwasher or you can throw them in your washing machine. They're soft to the touch, they have a sponge-like feel to them, and they also grip well in my hand, so they're perfect for cleaning out like silverware, bowls, plates, glasses. They're pretty tough. I mean, if I really wanted to, I suppose I could exert a lot of effort here and tear one of these things in half. You know, it's not something that's just going to fall apart on its own. I would have to force it. So these things could be used all over the house. I clean my guitar with one, the kitchen, the bathroom, the sink, the mirror, you know, grabbing dust or cobwebs, windowsills, walls. I'm going to keep one inside of my car, probably this green one, for wiping down the interior or the window. You know, I can just get it wet with a bottle of water. These things are unbelievably versatile. So there you go. With normal daily use and the fact that these are washable, I think that this 12-pack is going to last me at least a few to several months. And I can think of so many uses for them, from my kitchen and my car to my workshop. Very nice.